Ho, ho, ho!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking with another vegan brand. It's Daiya. I'm not really a fan of their products as yet. I think they specialize more in like cheeses and stuff like that, and vegan cheese is just disgusting. So I'm taking a leap of faith that hopefully what I'm about to make has a different kind of texture, has a different kind of taste. I don't know, we'll see. I'm taking a chance. So today I am cooking with the Daiya dairy-free macaroni style. I don't know, man. We'll see. I already have the water boiling. So in the packet is the macaroni and their cheese sauce, which is interesting. I'm gonna have to read the ingredients on this stuff because I don't know, but let's put it in the water. Okay, so these are the ingredients, which is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So if this does not taste good, I do have backup, fortunately. So this is my leftover. You got some plantain, sweet potato, rice, and this is lentils, and some jerk gravy. Yummy, yummy. So if the macaroni does not come out right, I'm definitely going to eat that instead. I've been wanting to make this damn thing, and my plan was to do it over my vacation, but situations happen. I was out of town, you know, so I'm doing it today. Now that it's all cooked and tender, throw in the cheese sauce. Oh Lord, I'm very scared for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I do need 2 hands, so I'm just gonna put this in and mix it up, and I'll be right back. Wow, guys, it actually looks very good. It actually smells like macaroni and cheese. Okay, taste test now. So I am about to taste this macaroni now. It is looking very creamy, very cheesy. It's not bad. Okay. Whoop. Honestly, it is not bad. Okay, so the macaroni and cheese itself is good, but the cheese, I don't know, the cheese slices don't do it for me. They're just nasty, but that I can do. That I can do. I'm actually going to add some sriracha sauce on there, and I think I'm good to go. So if you guys have been hesitating to try this macaroni and cheese, I'm telling you, it is not that bad. It really is not. It's actually pretty damn good. Better than I was expecting. So go out, grab yourself some vegan mac and cheese and give it a try yourself. Everybody has different tastes, so give it a try yourself. But Daiya, you got my approval. So I'm just going to eat my macaroni and cheese with my sriracha sauce. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh man, even with the sriracha sauce, it tastes even better. I'm definitely buying this again. Definitely. Definitely. I want to give it to the kids and my boyfriend, see what they think also.